friends, Kim Skinner here with a video for Kat Scrappiness introducing the new party banner cover plate. This fabulous die set is now available in the Kat Scrappiness store. You get this A2 size cover plate with 4 party banner swags along with some separate banner dies at the bottom so that you can die cut those little banner pieces out in lots of different colors and add them to your die cut here and have very colorful card fronts. So this measures 4¼ by 5½. You get 6 of those separate dies, and you will want to go ahead and use your wire snips and cut those off there. And you can see the beautiful stitch detail. I love that stitch detail. It always gives your card such a nice finished off look. You'll also notice that there are 2 cutting edges around the edge there, which gives this a beautiful frame. And I'm thinking that I might even die cut this out and maybe cut off a couple of those banner swags and use this as a frame for photos on my scrapbook pages. So you'll just want to go ahead and cut those separate banner pieces apart there, and that will allow you to die cut those out in whatever colors or papers you want to use. I'm using the Kat Scrappiness wire snips there to cut them apart. And here is what this looks like all die cut out. Isn't that fantastic? It's really pretty special because you get that nice stitch detail. You've got the 4 swags, and if you just wanted the swags to use on a scrapbook page, that'd be pretty fantastic. I did cut out the little banner pieces in lots of different colors and added them with a little bit of glue to those little banners, and I have a very colorful card front. Super quick and easy just to add a nice piece of pattern paper, and you've got a quick and easy card front, and I even put a sentiment.